Hi everyone, welcome back to the Automatic Addiction channel. The automotive industry is buzzing with anticipation for the 2025 Opel Astra, as the German automaker prepares to unveil what could be its most advanced compact car yet. While official specifications remain under wraps, credible sources suggest significant improvements across design, technology, and powertrain options that could make this one of the most compelling models in its class. The 2025 Astra is expected to debut Opel's latest design language, building on the current model's sharp styling with more pronounced character lines and a bolder interpretation of the brand's signature Vizor grille. Early design sketches suggest a lower, wider stance with distinctive LED lighting signatures that give the car a more premium appearance. The interior will likely receive equal attention, with higher quality materials and improved ergonomics creating a more upscale cabin environment. Industry analysts predict the new Astra will feature Opel's next-generation pure-panel digital cockpit with twin high-resolution displays spanning up to 24 inches. The system should offer enhanced voice control functionality and seamless smartphone integration. Advanced driver assistance systems are expected to include improved lane-keeping technology and more sophisticated adaptive cruise control capable of semi-autonomous highway driving. The 2025 lineup will reportedly focus heavily on electrification, with an upgraded plug-in hybrid variant offering significantly improved electric-only range. Most exciting is the potential introduction of a new fully electric version that could deliver over 250 miles of range on a single charge. Traditional internal combustion engines will likely receive efficiency upgrades to meet stricter emissions standards while maintaining the spirited driving dynamics Opel is known for. Performance enthusiasts have reason to be excited, as rumors persist about a new GSI variant that would slot between standard models and a potential future OPC version. This sportier iteration might feature a tuned hybrid powertrain delivering more than 220 horsepower while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency. Expected to debut in late 2024 with deliveries beginning in early 2025, the new Astra will face stiff competition from the Volkswagen Golf and Peugeot 308. However, with its combination of striking design, advanced technology, and expanded electrified options, the 2025 Opel Astra appears poised to make a strong case for itself in the compact segment. Pricing is expected to remain competitive, starting around €28,000 for base models, while fully equipped versions could approach €40,000. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more updates and exclusive content on automotive innovation. Thank you for watching.